Action. Move towards the right. Step, turn, step, clap. What do you think that means? Move towards the right. One volunteer. Step, turn, step, clap. Stand up. You think? Yeah. Okay, so we've got move towards the right. Move towards the right. Step, turn, step, clap. So we're going. Don't be shy, don't be shy. Step, move towards the right. Step, turn, step, clap. So we're going 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Feet left. Excellent. So we're going right, left. Jump and clap with your hands above your head. Perfect. Jump and clap with your hands above your head. Come on, let's back. Come on. So jump and clap. And then clap with your hands in front of your chest. One, two,
The first idea is to suppose that your partner may be infected. So you have to act as if your partner is infected. Why? Because we don't know. And this will be the practical activity. We make a simulation of sexual intercourses. It is a simulation. The intercourse means to share some liquid. This is a sexual intercourse. But one of you, and you don't know who is, if he or she, is infected. But we don't know who is because there is no visual sign. So maybe most people don't know that they are infected, but others, they know they are infected, and maybe they lie to you, because if they say, I have something to say, I am infected with the AIDS, and you say, bye-bye, see you later. So maybe they lie, because they are afraid of losing you. And this is the same as some people are infected only if they were unfaithful just once. Maybe in a, I don't know, they go to a party and they met a blonde or brunette or a big boy and they had sex only once. But maybe this only one occasion means infection. So, what is the solution? To use a barrier, to use condoms. So, if we use condoms, we can say to AIDS, fuck you, AIDS. No, don't. But condoms is not sure, safe 100%. Condoms doesn't mean safe sex. You have to know how to use condoms. But condoms means safe sex. Next. So this is unsafe sex capital juries.
to Barcelona?
Yes.
Who do you support?
Barcelona. En Mauricio.
Calma.
Yeah, los dos madrileños.
You haven't been in other places in Spain, like Barcelona or Madrid or
I've been to Asturias
Asturias?
and Lanzarote, so the north and the south. Very different.
That's good.